If not, if 27 balls been batted out by India. We just walk in the park. That's a good delivery by Mehrab. Good comeback after a boundary 2 dot deliveries.
Yeah, 40 of 26 now. You just need one good over. Wow. 15 runs over and you'll make it. You're right. Play sensibly.
Shot again, understandably. Mehrab Hossain just firing it into the right hander. So far, 6 runs in 5 deliveries.
Appointment. Got 2 lives before he got out.
To like about Jitesh Sharma. As a leader, as a batter, he's superb. Mehrab Hossain, he finishes his spell. None for 35. After 16, 156 for 4. Overs to go. Ripon got 2 overs. Saklain got 1. Haider got 1. I think those are my 3 bowls to bowl the 4 overs, Maninder.
Yeah, I think it will be seamers for Sri Lanka. Akbar Ali. We saw a spinner bowling the 19th over, going for 28 runs when Bangladesh. Skipper. Ripon is on.
Straight away, grease him with a cut shot. Lucky that Ripon had the cow point fielder. That was unlucky for Ramandeep. That was there to be put away. And just on Jitesh Sharma, was just finishing off last over, Maninder. Lot to like about his character. He's a leader, he's a born leader. The way he speaks, even at the toss, the presentation, a good head on his shoulders.
But missed an opportunity here. When he had got 2 lives, I thought he's going to take it to the last over, take it to the end. Couldn't do so, but great opportunity for Nihal and Ramandeep to finish it off. These are the opportunities you've got to grab to tickle the selectors.
Full toss down the leg side. Finds the field at deep square leg. It's now 22 deliveries, 37 to win. Needs some calm heads in the Indian perspective. Bangladesh, they need some wickets here. That was Jitesh Sharma's wicket. Very good catch by Akbar Ali. There you go, he sees the replay. He cannot believe it.
He's a good wicketkeeper, a good thinker of the game. Akbar Ali, the Bangladeshi captain. He's used his resources pretty well.
Shot. Oh, extra cover. Just evaded it. For a second, I thought the short extra cover had it. But Ramandeep, what a shot under pressure.
He's got it in him, Ramandeep. That is why he's here. He's done well so far. This is an opportunity. This is an opportunity. Picture perfect. Kept that pose there for the photographers.
Oh, in the length, missed out there, Ramandeep. This is where I think Nehal Vadera, Ramandeep got to be a little sensible, have the right options, identify the boundary areas, and wait for the opportunity. 32 of 20, I think, is in at this level in 2025 is certainly gettable.
And probably identify which bowler to go after as well to get those 15 runs that we were talking about in 1 over to make it easy.
Good Yorker, very good Yorker upon Mondo. Under pressure, delivering excellent delivery just outside the yaw stump, tailing away from the left-hander.
They need 10 runs per over from here. Nehal Vadera has been there for a long time, 21 deliveries. He would have got a good measure of the surface.
7 runs in 5 deliveries, 32 needed of 19. York again. Very good over Ripon Mondal, just 8 runs of the 17th over. It's 164 for 4. Comparisons, Bangladesh in the last 2 overs, they scored 50 runs. That was the biggest difference. India, on the other hand, this has been a very good chase so far. Abdul Ghaffar Saklain to bowl his last over. Comes down the track, Nehal Vadera. Having the right option. I think he's trying to open up the offside, looking how he came down the track. This is going to be a very big over for Bangladesh.
There's mind games going on there in the middle, trying to put pressure on the bowler, Saklain, who's been brilliant so far. 3.1 overs for 17 runs, got that important wicket of Webb of Suryavanshi, was going after the bowlers.
Saklain will bowl his last over. I think it's going to be Ripon to bowl the 19th and Abu Haider Rani to finish off, who's been very expensive so far. In the gap, goes for a boundary. Smart batting by Ramandeep. He knew the third man fielder was in the circle. Placement was key. Got it perfectly.
This is the time. The game is going to go towards whoever handles the pressure better. Lot of room there. Lot of room there. Smartly played between the fielders. This is exactly what you need to do.
People in Doha, Qatar have not seen this sort of a magnitude of cricket for a long time. And they've been treated for some excellent cricket right throughout this tournament. And even the crowd have not disappointed. They've come out in numbers. It's a Friday. It's a holiday. Expect a full house come the second game. These people have been treated for all their money.
Good cricket we've seen so far. Not only them, I think we here in the Combox have been entertained as well. When you talked about those last 2 overs, Mehrab was instrumental in getting those 50 runs for Bangladesh A in the last 2 overs.
Not short of excitement in the DP World Men's Rising Stars Asia Cup. So the delivery again. Slight hesitation. But when in doubt, do not take a risk. Send your partner back. That's exactly what Ramandeep did.
Yeah, but whenever we get an opportunity to show you the dugouts, both the teams really tense. Couldn't place it. Couldn't place it this time. Nehal. Left-right combination there in the middle. Not very easy for Saklain. Pressure situation as well.
8 runs from the previous over. 6 from the last 4 deliveries. 2 deliveries coming up, which is going to be very important. Oh, don't think that was the right choice. Nehal Vadera is an excellent player straight down the ground. So why not stick to conventional shot and try to be a clean hitter?
I've still not been able to understand this when the batters try to do that when they have all the strokes in the world. Lower delivery, smartly bowled.
Yeah, gripped and bounce. Got sucked in. Probably saw Nehal Vadera trying to scoop it over third man. Pull the length back. Very important dot delivery. Down the leg side. Fine leg in the circle. Poor delivery to finish off the 18th over. 10 runs from it. And 25 needed in the 13 deliveries. Now becomes 21 of 12. 174 for 4. "21 needed in 12 deliveries. Ripon Mondal will bowl the 19th over. None for 30 so far in his first 3. Oh, straight down the wicket. Amandeep Singh covered his entire stumps, probably targeting the mid-wicket area. That was a good delivery by Ripon.
Last ball of the previous over. There was pressure on Suckling. I think it was that previous delivery shot, that reverse shot that Nehal tried to play, made him think what to do. What is the batter going to do? Now you've got to believe in your strengths as a bowler. But when the bowler starts thinking what is the batter going to do, this is what he does.
20 of 11. What is it going to be against Nehal Vadera? Ripon Mondal has been quite successful in this tournament. He is under pressure. Full toss, straight up in the air. Akbar Ali says mine. Oh, he drops it. He drops it. Couple of overs before, he took a stunner to dismiss Jitesh Sharma. And of Nehal Vadera, Akbar Ali drops a sitter.
Pressure. Pressure is catching up. This is a pressure situation. Captain, all that experience in the world, drops a sitter. Drops it at the wrong time for Bangladesh. Oh, those eyes were not on the ball.
Plus, he was going down when the ball was just about to hit the gloves. No base. And I think the umpire just quietly been informed by the third umpire to probably check about the height of that delivery.
I think the batters also were putting pressure on the umpires. I don't think that was a no ball though.
I think the players should stay away. Let the umpires do their job. This is not football. Just stay away. Let the umpires do their job. Make a decision and let us know.
Yeah, I think they've decided not to go to the TV umpire. They're sure that the ball was not above the waist height. And I think it wasn't.
Hemant Buteji is a very experienced umpire. I think it should be fine. It was just under the waist height, batting deep in his crease. Right. Every time everyone takes a deep breather and we go again. Here comes Ripon Mondal. In the slot, long on fielder in place and straight at him. Jishan Alam at long on, cool as a cucumber. And Ramandeep Singh is unlucky. Got a good piece of the willow, but didn't have the distance.
Yeah, didn't get the elevation. Ripon is the leading wicket taker now in this tournament. The Bangladesh crowd on their toes, should be happy, trying to bowl that Yorker right length where the batter couldn't get that elevation that we are talking about. 17 for Ramandeep, 176 for 5, India.
Ninety needed of 9. Ashutosh Sharma, the new batter, straight away he gets a good one for Ripon Mondal. Under pressure, he has so far delivered 4 excellent deliveries. 3 singles and a big wicket of Ramandeep Singh.
Brilliant bowling. Very good Yorker. Saw the batter moving towards the offside. Calm down, says the skipper. And that is what you need to do. When Bangladesh were batting, the 19th over made the difference. 28 runs they collected in that over. And now, when they're bowling a fabulous over.
Full toss. They couldn't get the timing or the placement right. Nehal Vadera. Last wicket, Ramandeep. Ripon Mondal becomes the highest wicket taker, going past Gurjapneet Singh. That's how well the young man from Bangladesh, lanky, hits a decard, has bowled well.
What an over this is. What an over. 5 deliveries bowled. Just 4 runs of it. And a wicket. So what India A need now is 17 of 7.
Can be the match-winning over for Bangladesh. Can Ripon Mondal finish strong? Yorker, perfect Yorker. 2 is the call by Ashutosh, but I think they have to settle with a single. Ripon Mondal, the 19th over, has bowled for 5 runs and a wicket. 16 needed of 6, 179 for 5. $179 for 5, plays 194 for 6. India A needs 16 runs from the last over. What a game we had so far. Looks like it's going to be Rakibul Hasan to bowl the final over. Had the choice of Abu Haider Rani, and Akbar Ali has chosen the left-arm spinner. This may play into India's hands. We saw the last over ball by Namandir, the 19th over, beg your pardon, went for a lot of runs. 2 overs went for 50 runs in the Bangladesh innings. This is a risk being taken by Akbar Ali.
You're talking about the 19th over bowled by an Indian spinner, but he was a part-time spinner. Namandir. Namandir is a part-time spinner. Rakibul is their main spinner. And Akbar Ali was his captain when they won that 2020 World Cup, under 19 World Cup.
Short delivery. Ashutosh swings it, but finds the fielder at mid-wicket. Make it 15 of 5. Nehal Vadera, since he's a left-hander, he'll take a liking towards a left-arm spinner.
He's a smart bowler, Rakibul. I would like to see the length, the speed. He can bowl Yorkers as well. He's got that ability. Probably he'll try to bowl that Yorker. This ball is going to be very crucial for a result in this game.
The line has to be outside the off stump with 5 fielders in the offside. It is outside the off stump. No time by Nehal Vadera. Make it 2 runs in 2 deliveries. 14 of 4. Rakibul Hasan, as expected against the left-hander, firing it away from the left-hander.
India need a big hit here. When they were batting, the 19th and the 20th over went Bangladesh A's way. 50 runs of those 2 overs.
Shot! Long on in place. He'll be a spectator only. That was shot and a half, Ashutosh. He made a name for himself as a finisher. He pumped it over long on.
That was a big hit. It stayed hit. The moment it came out of the bat, everybody knew the result. And look at those boys there. Short delivery, bad delivery, pressure on Rakibul, one of the experienced bowler in the side.
Wow, we have a game in hand, 8 of 3. I think looking at Rakibul Hasan, he's going to go over the wicket now. Target the leg stump, or maybe even outside the yaw stump. Long off field lane plays, and he drops it and goes for a 4. Oh, rubbing salt into the wound. That should have been taken. Under pressure, the fielder drops a sitter.
This is double blunder. Double blunder here. Jishan Alam dropped the catch. And then it went for a boundary as well.
Wow, what a game. That should have been taken. He has taken some blinders in this competition, Jishan Alam. It goes to show cricket is a great leveler. Under pressure, one of the best can succumb. And Ashutosh Sharma 6 and a boundary. 4 runs needed of 2 deliveries. Wow. First semi-final living up to his expectations. Yorker, right on the money. Rakibul Hasan is not going to turn the ball. He's going to bowl it quick. And Ashutosh Sharma trying to pump it straight down the ground, misses it, and the middle stump gets castled.
What a game of cricket this is. This is total entertainment. This game has been like a pendulum. With that 6 and a 4, we thought it's gone India's way. And with that Yorker, now we can say it's gone Bangladesh's way. Ashutosh Sharma, 13, 191 for 6.
Man of the match of the last game, Harish Dubey at number 8. Boundary of the last ball. Oh, pressure, pressure. Mind games by Rakibul Hasan. He's feeling the heat. Vaibhav Suryavanshi feeling the heat. Everyone in the stadium is. Hearts in the hands or the mouths, whatever it is. This is going to be a very big delivery.